Gu Feng Tu, the hidden martial master of Qieding.
Name: Gu Feng Tu, sect, the Sephirothite sect. Title: The Obsidian Young Master.
Rumor has it in the avian underworld that between the frozen northern realms and the southern wetlands, there lives a mysterious clan that can both soar through the heavens and vanish underwater. They are known as the tufted ducks. As the only species in their genus with a crest, the males sport a long, drooping black ponytail on the back of their heads during the breeding season, looking like a dashing imperial constable. In the Wild Waterfowl Society, most sects master only one specific technique. The Bean Goose clan excels in long-distance flight, traversing thousands of miles with ease, while the Dabbling Duck sect specializes in surface floating, dominating the water's upper realm. In fact, the floating weeds, seeds, and insects on the sunlit surface are entirely the Dabbling Duck's territory, a feast they guard fiercely. Gathered on the water, they often laugh at Gu Feng Tu for looking so odd, whispering that he looks neither like a legendary phoenix nor a proper, respectable duck. Little do these surface dwellers know, Gu Feng Tu is a rare, elite amphibious master. He possesses the ultimate secret kung fu of both heavenly soaring and deep-sea diving, a dual-threat warrior capable of conquering both the highest skies and the deepest abyss. As a tufted duck, Gu Feng Tu's most hardcore secret weapon lies in his glowing, golden eyes that pierce the ultimate darkness. The underwater world of Qieding Wetland is murky, deep, and treacherous. Regular birds go blind the very moment they dive into the abyss. But not our young master Gu. Upon entering the water, he instantly channels his energy, forcing his eye muscles to reshape his lenses to focus with deadly precision, while a translucent, waterproof third eyelid snaps shut like a mystical shield against mud and silt. Best of all, his striking golden irises act as a premium high-contrast filter. This legendary vision cuts directly through the murky yellow light, forcing the dark-shelled snails hiding behind the heavy weeds to light up like bright beacons. However, maintaining this profound sensory technique consumes immense internal energy. He can only sustain this golden vision underwater for a brief 30 seconds, meaning every single strike must be swift, calculated, and fast. Now, behold his true amphibious martial arts. Because tufted ducks have heavy bodies and small wings, they cannot take off instantly from the spot. To take flight, he must sprint furiously across the water, slapping the waves for a long distance before catching the wind. This move is called the wave walking sprint. But his ultimate skill is transitioning from air to deep water in a split second. When facing predators or losing surface food to the crowding dabbling ducks, Gu Feng Tu folds his wings midair, tightens his feathers, and uses his iron-like feet to plunge like a cannonball right into the 10-meter deep, icy water. Passing swift reeds and scattered fish, he reaches a place the surface ducks can never touch, home to plump, deep-water clams and thick-shelled snails. With his flat bill acting like lightning-fast chopsticks, he snaps up a snail. Got it, he kicks his feet and breaks the surface again, throwing up a spectacular splash. While the dabbling ducks can survive on a few surface weeds, Gu Feng Tu is a picky eater. His favorite delicacies, deep-water snails and clams, exist only at the very bottom. Therefore, seeing such a vast flock of tufted ducks in the Qieding Wetland every winter proves that the deep-water ecosystem here is incredibly healthy and thriving with life. This is all thanks to the Public Works Bureau, Kaohsiung city government, and their environmental allies, who have quietly worked behind the scenes for years, monitoring the environment and maintaining the water levels. They are the ultimate guardians, keeping this martial world safe and prosperous for generations to come.